Brace yourselves for potential turbulence in the crypto market. According to a recent survey by Deutsche Bank, there is speculation that Bitcoin could plummet to 20,420, echoing levels from the crypto winter of 2022. Stay tuned for updates on this developing story. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. Starting off with, Grayscale is giving you a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to stack below 100,000. Don't blow it away. Also, real estate is Bitcoin's best target asset because it's a utility that was turned into a store of value asset class because of financial engineering. The world will be better when real estate goes back to being a utility for the majority of people. Save in Bitcoin, invest in Bitcoin, and live in a house. Bitcoin, this is what a 2x move from here would look like. $137,000. Would a move to there give you a life-changing money, or do you still need a 10x, 20x, 50x, or even more than that? I hold the no shit coins, Bitcoin only forever, and it is hilarious to me seeing so many of the deranged Bitcoin maximalists crying over this. Maximalists have been proven wrong by the market. 90% of the Bitcoiners hold other coins, and the loud screeches you hear are a dying breed seeking attention for their inaccurate worldview. Justin, Congressman Patrick McHenry says Democrats and Republicans need to take time to understand the Bitcoin white paper. The willfulness of the not reading and understanding Bitcoin, that willfulness to not educating themselves leads them down rabbit holes of misinformation. In 10 days, or exactly 1,513 blocks, Bitcoin will be the money with the lowest inflation globally. An inflation rate that once again will be halved to only 0.875% and will undercut gold's inflation rate for the first time forever. More than 70 years, gold inflation has averaged 1.5%. Bitcoin has only needed just shy of 15 years to beat that figure and will continue to halve its inflation rate every additional 4 years. With these facts in mind, you need to ask yourselves the following question. Do you know what kind of an incredibly grandiose privilege it is to be able to obtain something as highly valuable as Bitcoin with something as poorly as government paper money? There will come a time when we will no longer be able to buy Bitcoin with government-controlled money because this money will no longer have any value. The only way to get Bitcoin then is through hard work, creating value for others, or mining alone. Work products and services that live up to the value of Bitcoin, and people are willing to trade their Bitcoin for it since the Bitcoin is money and it is a apex form of money. To exchange printed cellulose, which can be produced on demand wherever and whenever, causing so much evil in our world for something inconceivably rare and ingenious like Bitcoin. That is an act that will have unimagined consequences for you individually, but also for our society as a whole. With that said, buy Bitcoin while your fiat money still allows it. Buy secure and hold it. The next up, what we have is Bitcoin on the monthly, and we are going a lot higher. If in doubt, zoom the fuck out. 2024 will be the year millionaires will fight for Bitcoin. From the halving 20th of April, there will be produced 117,000 new Bitcoins before the end of the year. That's 0.0019 Bitcoin per millionaire. Bitcoin longs liquidated at a sub 69,000 level, and time to head back up fam LFG. Longs liquidated, time to go back up. Glassnode publishes Bitcoin report after the decline. They point to the fall of critical data. A recently published report by Glassnode, one of the most prestigious analysis companies in the cryptocurrency world, revealed that Bitcoin reaching an all-time high in March led to an increasing in profit taken by the long-term wallets. However, according to analysts, this activity has started to decrease in the recent weeks. Typically, profit taken by long-term wallets tends to increase at all-time highs, but this has been tapering off in recent weeks, as the Glassnode Insights report published today said. The report also also analyzed the asset balance between the long-term Bitcoin wallet and the new demand. It has been suggested that the current market is in early stages of a euphoria or price discovery phase. However, it has been noted that the previous euphoria phases experienced numerous price declines exceeding 10%, many were much deeper, and price corrections of over 25% were common. Interestingly, since March, when Bitcoin reached its all-time high, there have only been 2 price corrections of more than 10%, and at the time of writing this article, Bitcoin price is trading at 69,000 with a 4% decrease in the last 24 hours, and in their previous predictions, Glassnode analysts had determined the 58,000 level as a potential support point and suggested that Bitcoin could continue its rise after this point. Next up, Bitcoin seen below 20,000 in consumer survey by Deutsche Bank. Deutsche Bank survey indicates divided sentiment on Bitcoin's future, as 10% of respondents anticipate Bitcoin surpassing $75,000 by December. Experts from Deutsche Bank predict Bitcoin will maintain a sustained upward trend. Deutsche Bank, a German multinational investment bank, surveyed consumers regarding Bitcoin's future trajectory. Their results show a divided sentiment, with about 1/3 of respondents anticipating the world's first cryptocurrency to plummet below the $20,000 mark by the year end. This projection suggests that a Bitcoin will lose $50,000 from its current valuation, as this price dip will see the coin reach levels observed during the crypto winter of 2022. Of the over 3,600 individuals surveyed, only 10% predict Bitcoin will surpass $75,000 by December's close, as meanwhile 40% are confident in the cryptocurrency prospects, and in contrast, 30% anticipated its eventual disappearance, anticipating Bitcoin to lose its value and the market relevance. Meanwhile, less than 1% of respondents consider cryptocurrencies just a fad that will eventually fade, and the survey finding reflects the ongoing debate surrounding Bitcoin's viability and the various opinions held by the consumers regarding its future trajectory. According to details from the survey reported by Bloomberg, Bitcoin has witnessed a significant growth driven by expectations of considerable returns. However, the report maintains that some analysts have cautioned against its lack of intrinsic value and associated risks. Bitcoin reached its highest point in 3 weeks on Monday, rebounding from its recent lows, and in March it attained an all-time high of 73,803, rebounding impressively from a significant decline observed in 2022. At the press time, the coin trades at 70,000, or right now actually 69,000, so it dropped a little bit. And according to data from CoinCodex, Bitcoin has surpassed its 200 days SMA of 47,411 by 49%, and over the past 30 days, Bitcoin has seen a 16-day green chart, so accounting for 53% of the period, while printing a 150% gain on a Y2D. And here we're looking into the price where we are 69,000 consolidation, as we're probably seeing even more movement after that, but for now we probably will consolidate for quite some hours, and a traded volume at 36 billion with a 2% decrease, so we're still holding on that level, and probably once the price will continue on falling down or consolidating, we might see a decrease in traded volume. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.